Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete apps from the app library on your iPhone. Wow, this is probably going to help a lot of folks right here who can't find an app on the home screen but still want to remove it. So let's break down the steps. First thing you gotta do is unlock your iPhone and swipe left until you reach the app library. Over here, you can use the search bar at the top or just scroll down to look for the app you want to get rid of. Okay, once you find it, tap and hold on the app icon. A quick menu is going to pop up. Tap Delete App. Another pop-up comes after asking you to confirm. Tap Delete again. Oh great. That's it. The app is removed already from your iPhone. Anyways, if you have a lot of apps to clear out, you can go after them one by one using the same way. It's an adequate and bright way to manage storage ahead without even opening up settings. So yeah, that's how you delete apps from the app library. I would like you to drop a like if this helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips. And comment if you want to ask anything or need a bit more help.